MTDCNC have travelled to Bradford, to Tecnair. Now, I'm here with Steve Watson. Steve, thank you very much for your time today. Now, you've moved into this absolutely fantastic state-of-the-art facility. What was the purpose in you doing so?
We'd simply outgrown our old site. We needed more space so that we could expand and put in more products.
Now, we're going to look at talking about products. We're going to look at the Mazak HCN 4000 with Palletec system on. What were your considerations as a business when looking at this machine and buying this machine?
We're looking to minimise our downtime and maximise our output, which this facility allows us to do.
So, are you just running one particular component on this machine?
No, we've got a multitude of jobs that we do. But the beauty of this machine is we can leave every single component we make set up all the time, ready to go.
How many pallets does this machine have?
We've got 16 tombstones, which gives us 64 faces to work with.
And in regards to spindles, now you've actually got two HCN 4000s attached to the Palletec system. Is this a modular system, and can another machine be incorporated into this system?
We originally went with two, but there is a space at the back of them to have the third machine installed to run on the same system that we've got now, yeah.
Now, in regards to the work that you did and that you currently do, is this giving you the versatility, flexibility to take on more work and different work, in regards to batch size and volume?
We can now work with much bigger volume work. Some of it we used to have to ship out, we simply couldn't cope. But now with this system, we can do it all in-house in UK.
And what kind of productivity gains have you actually seen since purchasing this machine in regards to how you used to currently manufacture the same parts?
The beauty of having 16 pallets, and these machines can run multiple jobs one after the other. So we can leave it running on lights out all night, manufacturing different parts. We don't have to stop production when we're not here.
And in regards to prioritising your components, so say for example, for whatever reason, a component would jump up the list in regards to priority, is this something that you can do with this particular product?
The software controlling the Palletec system is fully integrated into prioritising different jobs, setting them onto different shifts, working multiple jobs on the same machine. It's so flexible, it's capable of doing pretty much anything we need.
And what about the Mazak smooth programming language?
The Mazatrol, once you get trained up on it, our operators found it much easier to use than the ISO. It also helps integrate the better 3D graphics system that the Smooth Control has built into it.
And in your opinion, has this been a success story for you? And due to the work that you're now being able to do, due to that extra capacity that you've got and capability, do you think you'll be buying a third machine for this very soon?
We've already seen a large growth in our output, and if we continue to do so, we should be adding the third machine within the next 2 years.